Hello all, it's the 7th of January 2017 and you're here with Dan in Essex, UK. So into the new year now, and I dare say some of you out there have made New Year's resolutions, whether it's to eat better, do more exercise, spend more time with loved ones, an educational goal, whatever. I wish you luck with that. So what I want to do is to issue you guys with a challenge. Now, people view my channel from all different backgrounds. You've got people there with lots of land, people with a medium amount of land, and people with no land. So people that live in a flat, an apartment, people that rent a room, live in a house share, whatever. They simply just don't have any garden or allotment or whatever, so to speak. So what I want to do is to just sort of have a brief chat about a little challenge that I'm going to outline, and wish you guys luck with that. So the challenge is to grow some sort of food produce this year. Now, of course, to many people that follow this channel, it's going to be very easy because they've got established gardens or allotments already. But you know, there are people that are watching this and they don't believe that they can do it. They think they lack the knowledge, they think they lack the know-how, etc. on how to do it. Now, I've done videos on how to grow your own food, how to think about it, how to sort of start planning and just thinking about ways that you can do it. For example, if you don't have any land at all, you may consider just growing some salad leaves in a windowsill. You may consider a little window box just on the ledge outside. You know, if you've got a tiny little courtyard garden that's about 4 foot by 4 foot, you might consider just growing some tomatoes in some tubs, or even a little fruit tree in a tub, an apple tree or a plum tree. And the challenge is to start doing this. Now, of course, it's probably a little bit early right now, simply because the weather's not suitable. I mean, we've had frosts of late, and generally they say don't cast a clout till May is out, as they say. So I think your tender plants such as excuse me, your runner beans and your courgettes, you wouldn't start growing them now, would you? Because highly likely that they will fail, they will just die because the weather's not suitable. But you could consider ordering your bare-rooted fruit tree now, couldn't you, that you're going to set. So start researching, watch my videos, watch other people's videos, go on the internet, there's a wealth of information. Go down the library and read some books. Does anybody go down the library anymore? I don't know, but you know, people should really. But go to the library, read some books. You know, if you're allowed to go for walks down the allotment, of course don't go if you're not allowed. But if you haven't got an allotment, see if you can get permission to go and walk around and have a look. Get some inspiration. Have a chat to people. Learn. You know, if you've got a friend or a loved one who's got a nice established garden, or even just a box like that. You know, what do they call it? They call it not a hamper, it's not a hamper, but one of them wooden troughs, you know, that's got a few little bits and bobs growing in it. You know, maybe you've got some brassicas in there over the, you know, they've been growing over the winter period. So the challenge is out there. So people, grow something this year, and what I would love you to do is to grow it and make a YouTube video of it. You don't have to show yourself in the frame, you know, you could just do a very simple video with you with your mobile phone camera, as I do, filming it and just explaining and showing what it is. Because people out there, some people don't believe they can do it. They think they lack the know-how, they think they lack the knowledge to do it, but the knowledge is out there and you can research it, you can look at it. And I find with regards to growing your own food, it's like most things, it starts very small, doesn't it? For example, one doesn't get great on the guitar immediately. It takes time. And you never know, you might just start growing some potatoes in a bucket like that. And then before you know it, it might ignite an interest that you'll carry on growing and building and building. So, of course, with regards to things that are going on in the world now, I believe that growing one's own food will become very, very important, and I think that we need to encourage one another to continue learning, to continue progressing in this area, because food may not be as accessible as it is now one day, or the costs might go up and people could be left unstuck if they don't have the knowledge. So there you go, there's your challenge. Start planning, start thinking, and you know, you doesn't matter when you do this. You know, if you order your bare root fruit tree and you stick it in a pot and you want to, or in your garden and you want to upload a video and let me know about it, fine, no problem. But I imagine that I'll be getting most of the the videos back, probably, if I say, in the autumn time, I would imagine, or late summer, when the produce becomes apparent. So let me know, start planning, start thinking, and I'll be very interested really to know just what you guys do. Take care, speak soon.